Very little bit of orange. It's not constantly, but it's more there than not. You have a look. What we're doing is using a colour tune to try and set up the carbs again now they've rebuilt them. So it might be better. What you might have seen just then, or what you might be going to see, is the spark inside the cylinder. At first it was orange, which means it's running too rich, and when we took the spark plug out you could see it was like proper suttered up, so that were definitely running too rich. So it is back to the mixture off on one carb, which is where you say it be less orange and darker, so it should be blue with the occasional orange flash, not orange. So hopefully when we do the next one that might perk it up a bit, and then we can go for a trungle. So what we're doing now is doing exactly the same but on cylinder 3, is that right?
It is.
Are you enjoying this?
Cylinder 3, fed by carburetor 2. Carburetor 1, speeds 1 and 2, carburetor 2, speeds 3 and 4.
There you go.
Ignition, Houston.
I'll stand back while we don't ignite each other. So this one in theory. That one looks alright. So that's really what you should see. Hang on. That's what you should see. A slight orange every so often. He's going to adjust it again anyway. Reduced in orange colour. It's alright. I'll let you decide. Seems to be more orange now. look the same on camera. It's brighter on camera than it is in real life. I think that's better. Go on then. So this is the colour tune thing when he takes it out. He's got a big long stick, which is like your... It is a stick. It's not a wire, is it?
A lead connector.
So it's a lead connector. And then that bit down there is like the bottom end of a spark plug. But what you've got between the core and the outer casing, you've got like a glass... Well, it's like a glass tube.
Glass window.
Yeah. You can see it in there. But yeah, so basically you're looking through the which would be the porcelain bit of the spark plug, basically, isn't it? Just remember it gets hot as well.
So,
Ghosts.
can't get brighter than sun.
There you go. So you can see, if it would focus, you can see through the middle. So that orange bit is obviously it's got oil and stuff on it. You can put it down now. There you go. That's what a colour tune bit looks like. So basically, what you're using it to do is to see the colour of the explosion inside. So if it's an orange, it means it's running rich because it's. Did you say it's too many carbons in there? If it's orange.
If it's orange, it's not burning all gases properly.
Okay. So if
It's like a gas cooker.
yeah.
If it's burning orange, it's not burning gas efficiently.
Yeah.
And it's producing CO. What's his name?
CO Dubry, what's it?
Yeah.
So you need it to be a nice blue with the occasional orange flash, that's fine. But just not orange all the time. And then to set it, I think it's...
So rich, it'll be hunting as well.
Yeah. Are they mixture screw ports? I think it was this one here, and then because they're symmetrical, it'd be this one and this one. There's a bit of a pipe that's not attached here. I'll attach it back. So now we've set it up, the idea is to, the idea was to go for a bit of a drive round. So it's just gonna, it doesn't sound any better, does it? So we've definitely got some issue somewhere. It seems to miss, but we've changed all the electrics, we've set it up carb-wise. Yeah, there'll be something else happening that I'm not sure about. It's got to get better at some point.